Namaste everyone, and I'm making the video after a very long time. Was a bit tied up, but today I really thought that I have to make a video about this topic. So way back in my college day, when I was doing my pre-university, our Sanskrit teacher was explaining us a kind of a scene from one of the Ramayana story where the twins, that is Love and Kush, are asked by, I don't remember which Rishi, but they are asked that how do you know that your mother is still married and her husband is alive. So they give a very beautiful answer saying that she wears single plait and she partitions her hair in the middle. So I always used to wonder that why Sita Ma had to partition in the middle and wear a single plait to show that she was a Sumangali. We all consider Sita as a Pativrata Stri, and we all know that if we follow the way she lived, we also will be Pativrata. So, this always used to give me a question like, why was it so important for a married woman to take a middle partition and wear a single plait? Then, recently I came across, I'm doing a course wherein the meaning I got to know, and I thought I have to share it with everyone. So the meaning most of the cultures follow is we wear the sindoor here on this mang, or we've seen that we use that mang tika. What is it so important about this portion that this is the portion where there is a kind of fluid most of us might not know, which is in the brain, and I understand that that fluid has to come out of the body and it has to form again to for the brain to be healthy, and this is the area that I think it comes out of, and it has to be protected. And we have even seen sometimes that North Indians generally, when they are kept the tika and all, they keep their hand here, or they always cover their head. And there was a reason why the sindoor was also used on this place. And initially, the sindoor used to be made from a kind of material called cinnabar, which is very good and it helps to reduce the oxidative stress that most of the females undergo. So that was the reason way back, and now it can be scientifically explained. And I felt I just tried to connect two situations together, and I thought I will just put it across. Thank you.